Most people think finding freelance design work is impossible without experience, but the surprising truth is that Dribble connects designers with clients globally and helps showcase your portfolio effectively. Today, I'm sharing my personal usage experience. Dribble is a platform for designers to showcase portfolios, find freelance projects, and connect with potential clients. Most people get this wrong by assuming it's just for exposure. It's also a marketplace. I uploaded my designs, optimized my profile, and applied for freelance gigs directly through the platform. You won't believe what happens next. Clients often reach out proactively for projects after seeing your work. I personally received inquiries within a week of posting a few quality pieces. The platform also allows you to track engagement, see popular projects, and participate in community discussions. The surprising truth is the built-in tools for freelancers. Dribble supports contract templates, payment tracking, and project management tips. This makes it easier for new designers to manage work professionally and get paid reliably. Some downsides include that premium membership is required for full job marketplace access and higher visibility, and competition can be intense. However, with consistent quality posts, you can attract clients even as a newcomer. In conclusion, if you're a designer looking to showcase your work and find freelance projects, Dribble is a valuable platform to grow your career. Subscribe for more honest reviews of creative freelancer platforms before committing your time.